Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel How To. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. In this video tutorial, I am going to explain how to animate the HTML elements using animate.css. So let's start. For this tutorial, we need one editor and animate.css reference file. You can use any editor. In my case, I am using Notepad++ as my editor. First of all, let's download animate.css reference file. You can also use cdn link instead of downloading animate.css reference file. So open your browser and search for animate.css. Click on first link. To download a file, click on download animate.css. Press Ctrl S and save this file on your local computer. Click on save button. In this way, we have downloaded animate.css reference file. Now open your editor. Here I am going to write some HTML code. It's simple code. Let's start. First of all, add HTML tag, opening tag, and closing HTML tag. Then add head tag, now add our reference file that we have downloaded. So we want to add a CSS file. So add link tag, link rel equal to style sheet. Href attribute. Href is nothing but the path of your file. So we have saved our file on D drive, colon, /, and name of the file. In this way, we have added a reference file. Now add a body tag. So opening tag, and closing tag. Now add a heading element. So I'm adding h1 tag. So h1 opening tag, h1 closing tag. I'm adding some sample text. So type sample text 1. In this way, we have added one heading tag. We know that we have added animate.css this reference file, and this reference file contains various types of animation classes. So to perform the animation or to apply the animation to this heading element, we just need to add some classes. So add class attribute, class equal to double quote. First add animated class, then infinite. This infinite is for if you want to perform the animation infinite times, then we have to add this attribute infinite. If you want to perform the animation to some limited number of times, then we have to add finite as attribute. Now what animation we want to perform? For example, I want to perform bounce animation. Okay, you can also apply a speed to this animation, such as slow, slower, fast, faster. In this way, we can also apply speed to this animation. First of all, let's save this file. on a local machine, give the name to the file, save the file with .html extension, and click on save button. So let's run this file, HTML file, and here you can see in this way we have applied the bounce animation to this sample text one. You can increase the speed by using fast instead of slow. Again, save the file, go to your browser, refresh your browser, and you can see the animation is now speedy. Let's add another head section or head tag. We are going to change the text to sample text 2, and we are changing the animation to flash. Let's add some delay dash 2s. This delay dash 2s means our animation will be delayed by 2 seconds. If you want to delay it by 3 seconds, you can add 3s. If you want to apply more delay to your animation, just increase the number. Again, save the file, go to your browser and refresh your browser. Here you can see the flash animation that is applied to the heading tag. Similarly, let's add another animation. Sample text 3. Suppose I'm adding jello animation. Save the file and refresh your browser. And here you can see the jello animation. In this way, you can apply the number of animations. For reference, you can also refer the documentation that is present on GitHub. Search for animate.css, go to their official website and click on view on GitHub. Here you can see there are various types of classes are available that you can apply to your element or any HTML element. It is not specific to the heading element. You can apply it to any element. Let's add copy one class, apply instead of jello, save the file and refresh your browser. And here you can see the animation. In this way, by using the animate.css, you can apply animation to the heading element. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel how to. Thanks a lot.